Here we have a Dell Alienware motherboard that came in for a broken screen connector, EDP connector. Where is it? Right there. And the customer mailed over the old used connector, which we're not going to use because it was ripped off the board. And the good news is I see what looks like one ripped pad. The connector goes all the way on top here, and the connector is not there. A very common issue, and I have a lot of videos replacing that connector. We have a lot of glare, and I'm not able to make out what's going on. Anti-glare light on, and look at this. I see one missing connector. What's wrong with me today? One missing connector. I see one missing pad, and I see the supporting pad is gone from here, and this one is gone from here. Let's go ahead and prep those pads. We'll take it one step at a time. Now, as you can see here, all four pads are connecting as one pad, so solder tends to stick to all pads at once, one big blob. We're going to use a bigger tip and just go like this. I'm applying leaded solder so we can mix it with unleaded, and that way we can lower the melting temperature of solder so that we can wick solder off the board easily. And if you noticed, I'm going in an up motion. Or we can do down motion also, but I do not want to hurt the component that we have on the bottom here. And that's why I'm going in an up motion. If you go sideways, we may end up hurting the pads on the board. They may shift left or right. So think outside the box. And if you look here, if we scrape off that blue mask, you will see that all those four pads are connecting as one piece. And now, before we do anything, we have to restore that trace. And now we're going to use our NF.mini pen. Just apply a tiny bit of solder here. And just look at how amazing that tip is on this soldering pen. I mentioned this many times before. We went over a lot of tips until we got the absolute best tips in the market. The pen itself is 30% of the equation. It's the tips that matter. I've been using that very same tip for the past, I would say, 5-6 months. And it's still like new. I use it every day. That's a quality tip. Let's grab a pad strip. And we're going to solder that pad strip onto that via on the bottom. And then we're going to secure the wire with a tiny bit of solder mask from the top. And now we're going to cut that pad strip from right over here. Just like that. And this one is pad strips number 4. You can find it off our site. Just log into NorthridgeFix.com. We have 4 types of pad strips. I mostly use pad strips number 2 or 4. 2 and 4 are the same, but 4 has a lot more. And you can find all the stuff that we use here in the shop on our site. Genuine Amtech Flux. We are a distributor of the Flux, along with soldering stations, hot air station, thermal camera, grinding pen, voltage injection tool, charging stations, tweezers, everything that we use here, including the grinding pen that I just used, can be purchased off our site. We have all items in stock, and orders almost always ship out same day. And finally, I just want to tin that wire. And just like that. Now we're going to solder a new connector. And I have a brand new connector right over here. Okay, so right now if we can keep that connector in that position, it's perfect. But of course, nothing in life stays the same. Everything keeps shifting, moving, changing. People disappear. New humans come to Earth. And nothing stays the same. Today, I'm making this video. Tomorrow, God knows where I will be. The magic of the NF.mini pen. The tip is so precise and it works extremely well for this job. And now we have the pad that we soldered right over here. And those 4 pins are connecting as one. Let's clean up. And we'll double check on those pins, make sure everything is solid. And then we can invoice and mail this motherboard back to the customer. The customer only mailed over the motherboard. So as long as the pins are solid, then this device is deemed a fix. Just look at the soldering on the pins. Maybe we can zoom in, just like that. Just look at how shiny those joints are. Good quality flux, good quality solder equals shiny joints. If you do not have a mirror, you can look at the joints, fix your hair. And if you're a lady, you can fix your makeup. Possibilities are endless. So start from here, solid. I'm not going to say solid for every single pin, but if I came across a pin that's not solid, you'll see it. Look at this. Every single pin is making a very good connection. This one here is making a connection with the pad, but the pad is a bit weak, which is okay. The customer is not going to play soccer with this motherboard. He's going to connect the screen cable, and that's it. He's not going to see that connector again. As long as this pin is making a connection with this here, then we're good. Meter in continuity mode. And from here to right here, perfect. No need to fear. I is here. Solid, 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 solid. And now the pad that we created. Very good. The pin is making a connection with the pad. Awesome. And of course, all 4 pins are connecting to one big pad. And we're done. We did an amazing job. And the joints are nice and healthy. Now the customer has to understand that we do not have supporting pads anymore. Not on the left and not on the right. So he has to be careful when plugging the screen cable in. If the customer would have mailed the whole laptop, we would have done it for him, made sure the cable is in securely. But the customer decided to mail the motherboard only, and he's gonna have to deal with putting that cable in while being careful so he does not put a lot of pressure on that connector. Right now I can put glue on the left side and on the right side, but still, customer has to be careful. And if we want to go that extra mile, we'll just clean in between the pins. And we're done. We're gonna invoice and mail this back to the customer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll do something else in the next video.